In this video I'm going to show you how to share a file using Google Drive. And this is one of the great powers of Google Drive, and that you can share files with people. You can store store files in your cloud space, but you can share that file with anyone else, including your students, your fellow colleagues, anybody like that. So it saves you sending large files by email, which is quite difficult. So I'm going to open up my Google Drive folder. And I mentioned in the last one there's an icon in the taskbar here, and that's what it looks like here. So I'm just going to click that, and I can click Open Google Drive Folder. So this is all of my Google Drive files. So I want to copy a file from my documents into this folder. So let's see, I have on my desktop a report I found from JISC, just on learning technologies. So I'm going to share that. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it into my Google Drive folder. You can drag and drop as well, either way, and that's it appeared in my Google Drive folder. So now Google Drive is syncing that. You see how they've got ticks beside each file? That means that file is synced with the cloud. And that folder, when you first that file, when I first copied it, it didn't have one of those ticks. But as it was uploaded, as soon as it was finished uploading, then the tick appeared. So if I get rid of that, and I have a look back at my Google Drive listing, you can see that that file is now listed on my Google Drive file list, uploaded just now. So I'm going to click on that, and that opens it up. So whatever files you're editing or looking at, you can edit word processing or Excel files straight in here, including presentations as well. But with a PDF, obviously, I just get to have a look at it. Now to share it, I go up to the top here, and you can see the share button at the moment. If I hover over it, it says private only to me, only I can access. But if I click that button, then it lets me type in some email addresses. I can add people here. So I can add people specifically. So I'll put in Elaine, my colleague. Click Save and Share there. And that adds her to the list of people you can see. You can see who has access, me and Elaine. And it's private, only the people listed below can access, so only myself and Elaine can now access it. You can give different types of power over the document as well. So at the moment that shows that Elaine can edit it, but I can make it so that she can only comment on it, so she can't edit it, or I can make it so that she can only view it. So that could be useful if it's a document you're sending to students. But if you want them to be able to edit it at the same time, if it's a Word document or a spreadsheet or similar, you can click Edit and Save Changes. And that means it's still private, but private to me and one more, so I can see that one person is able to access it. Now what we're going to do on this task is share it publicly. So sometimes you might want to share a document with all your students and put a link into Moodle, say. And if you go back in, see the private one, and click that change option there. Now there's a couple of options. You've got public on the web, so anyone can find it, no sign-in required, or anyone with the link. So basically public in the web means that it'll be listed in search rankings, it'll be listed in search listings, that type of thing. But if you put anyone with the link, that means that technically it's kind of hidden away by Google, but if you send somebody the link, then they can view it. So I'm going to click that one, and then if I just see, you can choose whether they can edit, comment and view again, so it depends what you want to choose there. Click Save, and now if I put this link, copy this link and put it on Moodle or send it out by email to my students or colleagues, then they can access that document and have a look at it. So anyone who has the link can view, and obviously you can change that so that anyone you send the link to can edit it as well if you want to do a collaborative editing document. Okay, so if I click Done now, you can see that the icon's changed, so anyone with the link can now view this document. So that's what we want to do today for the task in the cloud. If you want to find a document that you think might be useful to your colleagues, or something you've found useful in the past around anything to do with technology enhanced learning or cloud computing, then put that in your Dropbox and share it with us in the discussion on the In the Cloud forum. Okay, good luck with that, and we'll talk to you soon.